All right, strand 6.2 says that we are going to explore language development in children. So, your essential question for this strand is, what are some ways you can encourage language development? So, go ahead, write that essential question down, pause the video while you do that, and then come back when you're ready to move on. All right, great. So, language development in children. Language development is the process by which children come to understand and communicate. That's what we mean when we talk about language development. So, effective language development is critical to a child's ability to function in society. To be honest, you have to be able to communicate somehow in order to function in society. It also promotes social interaction, right? Because we talk and communicate with each other. It improves cognitive development, so the way our brains work. And it aids in self expression, being able to express yourself, enhances literacy, which is the ability to listen, read, write, and speak. And it improves self esteem. So it's super important. Language development is amazing for that. Speaking to children is crucial to developing language skills. So, the more interaction a child has with speech, language, and communication, the more prepared they are for learning. So, the stages of language development. First words are often names of familiar objects or people. So, there's something that's called a hollow phrase, which is a single word that's used to express a complete, meaningful thought. So, mine is an example of this. Mine is a hollow phrase that says, "This is my toy and I don't want you to play with it." Right? So, if I say, "Mine, mine," you understand, like, this is mine. I don't want you to play with it. Right? It's a one word that expresses a complete, meaningful thought. Um, To encourage language development, reading to a child is important for language and cognitive development. It's suggested that a child is read to for about 20 minutes each day. We can listen and respond when a child is communicating with us, and we model correct speech. So instead of saying, if you're sitting with a kid like outside and they're watching cars drive past and they're like, "Car, go fast," instead of you being like, "No, silly, you're supposed to say it like this," you just say, "Yeah, you're right, the car is going fast." You are modeling correct speech, right? They may not have said it correctly, but as you model it, they will continue to learn those speech patterns. So this is reading to children, tips and techniques that we'll talk about some ways that can help promote language development when reading with children.